Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Do you ever find yourself struggling with low volume on your Android device? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring some of the best volume booster apps that can help amplify your audio experience. From music and videos to calls and notifications, these apps are designed to deliver powerful sound and enhance your listening experience. Let's dive in and discover the best options available. Extra Volume Booster Equalizer. Extra Volume Booster Equalizer is a powerful app designed to enhance the audio output of your Android device significantly. This app not only amplifies volume levels beyond the device's built-in limits, but also includes an equalizer that allows users to customize sound settings to their preferences. With various presets and manual controls, users can tweak bass, treble, and mid-range frequencies to achieve the perfect audio experience. The app is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through the settings and find the best sound quality for music, videos, or calls. Overall, Extra Volume Booster Equalizer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to get the most out of their device's audio capabilities. Volume Booster Max. Volume Booster Max is another top-rated app that helps users increase the volume levels on their Android devices. This app offers a straightforward interface that allows users to boost the volume quickly with just a tap. In addition to enhancing sound levels, Volume Booster Max features an audio manager that helps users select sound output for different applications, whether it's for media, notifications, or ringtones. The app includes a built-in equalizer and various sound presets to help users improve audio quality based on their preferences. With its simplicity and effectiveness, Volume Booster Max is perfect for anyone who needs a straightforward volume boosting solution. Volume Booster Loudspeaker. Volume Booster Loudspeaker is a versatile app designed to amplify sound output for various audio sources on Android devices. This app is particularly useful for users who have trouble hearing audio clearly while listening to music, watching videos, or making calls. Volume Booster Loudspeaker provides an easy-to-use interface with simple sliders that allow users to add just volume levels for different audio settings, including media and system sounds. The app is equipped with a sound enhancer that enriches the audio experience, ensuring clarity and depth in the sound. Volume Booster Loudspeaker is a great option for those seeking a reliable way to boost audio on their devices without compromising quality. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best volume booster apps helps you find the perfect solution for boosting audio on your Android device. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and app recommendations. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.